Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today we have some wood boards that we need to put together, so come on with me guys. Alright guys, so I am putting these boards together with stuff that we're getting ready to eat, and it is around lunchtime, so I'm like so excited and hungry. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Summer Fun Wood Serving Collaboration. Now this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Debbie Bubbles, we have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. As in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. So let's get started guys. So I'm setting up a cheese board with crackers here because that's what I'm going to be picking on at first. And let me show you how I do that. Now I'm going to be moving stuff around until I like their placement. So let's see what happens. Now, I needed to have something sweet, so I absolutely love these apple turnovers. So that's what I'm displaying here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe stuff down. There is another board that's already put together, so let's set things up. Now, I absolutely love setting up these boards because whatever it is I'm having, that's what's going on the board. It looks so yummy. Let's light the candle and head on over to the reveal. Since we were eating outdoors, I figured I'd go ahead and just serve outdoor food. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.